This week, your Chapter 10 module will be due before 11:59 on Sunday, April 14th. Start working on this assignment very early in the week so that you won't have any problems, you won't run into any difficulties. So when you click on modules and you go to the assignment, I will pull it to the top of the screen tomorrow, Monday. And you see that I have the Dr. Rouse Chapter 10 Nervous System Notes PowerPoint and Zoom lecture. Please go to this, and you see that I have taken your notes. I have your notes here. I have aligned the PowerPoint with the quiz here, and then I've taken that PowerPoint and I've lectured. I've gone through the PowerPoint here to explain everything. So please take the time to print your notes, listen to the PowerPoint. You can print your PowerPoint if you would like, but you're going to have this information because your final exam is going to be comprehensive. So make sure that you're keeping up with everything so that you'll have everything nice and neatly organized so that you can study for your final. So again, when you look at modules for Chapter 10, and there it is. You see the information that I provided, the other ancillary information that you can certainly refer to. Very, very good information there. Here is your lecture assignment and then your lecture quiz. And then you have histology of nervous system tissues. So that's lab 12. And then you got lab 12 homework and lab 12 quiz. And then you're going to have a unit test. This is not proctored. It's going to be unit test number 4, and it's going to cover chapters 8, 9, and 10. So be sure that you study hard for this test before you open it. This test is not going to be due until April 21st. So you're going to actually have 2 weeks to study to be prepared for this test. So it's going to be unit test 4. Chapters 8 through 10, and it'll be due on April 21st. So make sure that you are studying hard so that you know this material. Again, if you have any questions, please contact me. Please study hard and use all the materials that are provided. And then you'll see that the end is near. So then you'll have on April 28th, it will be the this information here, and then your proctored exam will be on May 3rd. You see that you have your materials there. You already have access to this. You can see your lab final study guide. You're going to have a proctored final exam and a proctored lab final. You need to make 2 different appointments for these. I highly suggest on 2 different days so that you can focus on each one individually so that you can do your absolute best on them. Your proctored final exam is going to be 840 points. That is going to be extremely important. So you've got the ability, if you have a low grade now, you can certainly bring that up. But if you are not well prepared, you can certainly ruin your average by not studying for this. So again, I cannot stress it enough. Make sure that you are prepared for the next few weeks. It's almost over, but you cannot stop now. You've got to work really hard and finish strong in the class. Okay, have a great day. Study hard. Bye-bye.